this is Siddharth from Team Digit, and in this video I'll be unboxing one of these awesome portable Bluetooth speakers that we have had with us for this month. I'll be taking the Zoook Blue to unbox in this video. This is the Zoook with 3 O's, and it's a portable Bluetooth speaker with 2 drivers, so it's stereo but in a kind of small form factor. So let's unbox this and see what it's got. I think you should go and check out the website. It's fairly interesting. The packaging is pretty standard. You have a see-through window at the top. We've got the red one. It's available in 4 colors. On one side of the box you have all the features listed, the kind of devices it can pair with. It's got up to 30 feet of range, 4 hours of battery life, things like that. So I'll just unbox it. I'll need a knife. So this is the speaker itself. I'll come back to it. First let's see what's there in the box. First up, it's a standard 3.5 to 3.5 mm audio cable for auxiliary in. Cable quality is okay, nothing to write home about. And you have a USB, and it's not a micro USB, it's a mini USB, which is kind of strange today. Okay. And here you have a quick start guide. Those are the box contents. This is the speaker itself. Now it's supposed to be a stereo speaker, so I'm guessing there are 2 drivers in there. I can faintly make out one here, and this looks like a bass reflex, but this is one distinct driver, and yeah, there's one here, so 2 drivers. On one side you have the on-off switch, auxiliary input, the USB charging port, and the play, pause and pairing buttons are all on top. So these are the volume up, down, forward, reverse and play, pause. So let me just power the device and quickly pair it with a phone and see the sound quality. So you need to hold down the Bluetooth button to make it discoverable. So yeah, I've found it here, and it's showing up as a mini drum. So I think the name for the device is mini drum. Zoook is chosen to brand it as Blue. Right, so it's paired now. Let me just play something for you. So I'll just take it up to full volume.
Climb a little higher.
Yeah, so it seems to be fairly loud. The 2 drivers are positioned in such a way that you might get a decent stereo effect because they're facing away from each other. And as far as the design goes, it looks like a tabla. Now what I'll do is, the price of this device is around 2,400. Can't seem to find it on the box, but it's around that. What I'll do is, for the sake of comparison, there's the MTV Twister, which is around 2.9K. I'll compare it to that. So here's the Twister, and I'll pair this and give you a quick comparison with the same sound. Okay, so now the twister has been paired. I'll play the same song, but I'll keep the volume low to begin with, and I'll take it up now. Okay, so that was the sound quality from the Twister, and what you heard earlier was from the Zoook Blue. That should give you some idea, and we'll be back with our full review. So thanks for watching this unboxing video.